Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to talk about just doing minor welding repairs. You know, whether you're working on a lawnmower deck or trying to get something to weld the hole to it, the biggest thing to take and just to consider, look, first off, I'm no expert. You know, Claude's a lot better welder than I am. I would classify myself as a farmer welder, which is a half-ass welder, but as long as the sucker sticks and stays, I'm happy, right? But you gotta prep your work area. And the biggest thing is you're gonna need a grinder to get down to where you've got a good, clear surface to work on for it to have good contact between the two. And then once you have that, then it's just simply, and I would recommend a wire feed. Bring this out, clip that here. And see, I've already started welding that on so that but I use this magnet first to hold it where I wanted it. And then I can turn it around just like I did. But that's where the wire feed comes in handy. And you can use the magnets to hold it the way you want. They come in different sizes. I've got the itty bitty ones that you can use. I always have 4 or 5 of each. You know, where you can line things up, hold it. They're handy as heck. But what I wanted to show you is the wire feed is really a lot easier to use than the stick, and you can turn the heat down on it so it's not burning through your material, because most decks are pretty thin, right? So the biggest thing is take a grinder, get it all cleaned up, have a good surface that's nice and clean. Find the patch that will fit your problem, and then weld your patch in place. And again, you may need to lower the heat on mine is a Hobart Auto Arc. It's a 110. I like it because it's easy to use. And then just pick the patch that you need, and then just go right around until you got it pretty good and solid, right? That's how we fix decks here. So on that note, I hope you guys have a good day, and if you wanted to see a half-assed farmer welder, you got it.